Welcome back everyone. I have noticed a common mistake people make when uninstalling applications. Many still rely on the old traditional methods to remove software from their PC or laptop. But here is the problem. These methods don't actually remove the application completely from your system. Let's talk about the common uninstall methods and why they are not enough. Most users follow one of these approaches. The first method is uninstalling via Windows settings. Most right-click on the Windows icon and then click on Installed Apps. Then they find the application, click the three dots and then click on Uninstall. The second method is uninstalling via Control Panel. Inside the Control Panel, they navigate to Programs and Features. They find a program, right-click on it and then select Uninstall. Now, while these methods do uninstall the application, they don't remove all of its files. Many remnants, including registry entries, leftover folders and hidden data still remain on your PC, taking up valuable storage space and potentially causing issues. Now let's talk about the hidden leftovers after uninstalling an application. To prove this, let's use this application Mix as an example. I uninstalled Mix using the traditional method. At first glance, it seemed like Mix was gone. Its desktop icon had disappeared, but when I checked deeper, Mix folder was still there along with leftovers. Some related files were still occupying storage alongside some entries. This confirms that simply uninstalling a program doesn't fully remove it from your system. These leftover files can take up your space, slow down your PC and even pose security risk if the software was malicious. Now, the right way to completely remove applications. To ensure a complete uninstall, use a third-party uninstaller. Some of the best include Revo Uninstaller, Geek Uninstaller, iOrbit Uninstaller and then your uninstaller. For this demonstration, I'll be using Revo Uninstaller and I'll provide the link in the description so that you can easily download and install Revo Uninstaller. After downloading and uninstalling the software, open Revo Uninstaller. And I've also installed the Mix application again so that I can demonstrate to you how the Revo Uninstaller works. Once you launch the Revo Uninstaller, select the application you want to uninstall. Then from the left pane, you click on Uninstall. Now, a window will open asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the selected program. Go ahead and check this option. Check Automatically Delete All Found Leftovers. You can choose to create a full registry backup before uninstall. You can also create a system restore point before uninstall. Then you click on Continue. After the initial uninstall, Revo will scan your system for remaining files. For the scanning mode, choose Advanced Scan mode, then you click on Scan. After the scan, Revo will display all leftover files, including registry entries and folders. And all the remaining files were deleted by Revo as well. Once finished, restart your PC. After restarting, I checked Program Data and Registry Editor. This time, Mix was completely gone without any leftover files. That's the end of this tutorial. If you have been uninstalling programs the old-fashioned way, it's time to change your approach. Using a proper uninstaller like Revo Uninstaller ensures that every trace of unwanted software is completely removed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to iTech Studios for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.